Australia is known for its clean landscapes and wonderful native animals. It is a unique country. In Australia, we have a deep understanding of the importance of producing 100% natural products to enhance the beauty of our fibres and the riches of our soil, and that will help to sustain our pollution-free environment. That's why Higgins Wool Company is so successful. Hugh and Chrissy Higgins together have spent over 20 years in the wool industry and have seen for themselves the need to provide the industry with alternative non-pollution uses for wool. Our research conducted by an Australian university and the CSIRO has perceived how effective sheep's wool is as an insulation material because it enables the animals to survive in snow and ice or 50 degrees summer temperature. Studies have shown that wool has the ability to absorb water when it's humid and dissolve water when it's dry. However, this process requires enormous degrees of heat, which proves that the natural wool fibre mix is an advantage over glass fibre and other substituting insulation. The result achieves comfort in winter and summer in buildings and has the added benefits of saving energy costs. It's useful environmentally by reducing the need to use the Earth's non-renewable resources. Managing Director of Higgins Wool Company, Hugh Higgins, explains what wool insulation is, how effective it is, and how easy it is to install.
Wool insulation is made from sheep's wool, natural sheep's wool. It's 100% effective. Wool in its own natural self is probably one of the best insulators you can ever deal with, as proven but just by the sheep alone in its natural state. It's extremely easy to install as far as the application into a roof or a wall.
With operations throughout Australasia, Higgins Wool Company have proven that they are leaders in their field, being an appointed supplier by the Australian Government for sound and temperature insulation in 4,700 homes as part of the Sydney Airport Noise Insulation Project. This contract has provided the capacity for Higgins to commence international marketing. In conjunction with the Australian CSIRO's Division of Wool Technology, Higgins has developed a world-first product that is fire-resistant.
Well, wool in itself is a fire suppressant because wool is nitrogen-based. It does not feed fire, so there in itself suppresses fire without anything more. It's suitable for international standards. It passes the British standard test, which is probably the most stringent test worldwide for fire testing. And it's from here that Higgins are now excelling in the new wool insulation products.
Higgins wool insulation has been tested for insects, fire, thermal and acoustic values, and the company constantly checks their products in their in-house laboratory. Higgins have a product that's fire resistant. It's saving our non-renewable resources. It's economic and fast to install. And what's more, it makes life more comfortable to live in. That's why architects, builders and homeowners are now installing Higgins wool insulation. Simply the safest.